how to switch between chords would be super helpful. Well, okay, we're going to go over this in class today. Which I gotta head out here pretty soon. So, take for example A, D, and E, all major chords. Starting with A, I have my second finger on the fourth string, so the fingering is 2, 1, 3. All right, so, but moving to the D chord, we have a common finger. That's the first finger. Okay, so something to look out for when you're practicing your chord changes is like, where does a finger stay? Where does a finger move? In this case, the first finger stays on the third string. So practice that change very slowly, making sure that when you change, your first finger doesn't move. Okay, now I'm going to go to the E chord, and I'm going to have a guide finger, okay? My first finger moves back 1 fret to be in place for the E major chord, okay? All right, now that's just an example using 3 of your chords, but find these things with all the chords. Is there a common finger that doesn't move? Is there a guide finger that moves on 1 string, just changes frets? Or is it relative motion where, say, your finger stays in the same fret but moves from the 2nd string to the 5th string? Okay, all things to think about with your chord changes. All right, let's see what else we got. How to make sure there isn't a buzz when playing notes. Well, first we need to establish what it feels like to press a note down and not make it buzz. What goes into that? Combination of placement and pressure and finger technique, okay? That is like the curvature of your finger, the placement of your finger. Let's take, for example, a C chord, yeah? Now the lowest note in that chord is C. Now what I'm going to do is place my finger on that note, but not push the string down, so it just makes a muted sound, like that, right? Okay, next I'm going to slowly press with more pressure, gradually more pressure, and still it starts to make a buzz. Okay? That's a very specific amount of pressure that's going to make a buzz sound, intentionally, okay? From there, go ahead and push a little bit harder until the buzz goes away. And then slowly release pressure until it starts to buzz again.